Today, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite recipes, spicy garlic prawns. This dish brings together the bold flavors of garlic and chili in a simple, mouth-watering stir-fry that's ready in under 30 minutes. Whether you're serving it as a quick appetizer or a side dish to complement a feast, these prawns will surely steal the show. So, let's dive in and start cooking. Let's start by taking a mixing bowl and adding half a kilogram of cleaned and deveined prawns. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Give it a good mix and let it sit for about 15 minutes to give the prawns a fresh tangy flavor. For the second marination, we're adding more bold flavors. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it all together. Let the prawns marinate for another 15 minutes to absorb all these spices. Next, heat a pan and add 7 dry red chilies. Dry roast them on medium flame for about a minute. The amount of chilies depends on your spice preference, so adjust accordingly. Once roasted, remove them from the pan. Now, add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds to the same pan. Dry roast them on a low flame for a minute. Then add a small piece of tamarind. Keep stirring so the spices don't burn. And once they're done, remove them from the pan. In another pan, heat a tablespoon of ghee. As the ghee melts, slide in the marinated prawns. Roast them on both sides for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring in between to ensure even cooking, but be careful not to overcook the prawns. They can become rubbery if cooked too long. While the prawns are cooking, let's make the spicy garlic powder. Add the roasted spices and 10 garlic cloves to a grinder and grind them into a coarse powder. Set it aside. Check on the prawns. They should be almost cooked. Once they're ready, remove them from the pan and set them aside. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of ghee. Let the ghee melt and then add finely chopped onions. Saute them until golden brown. This will take about 5 minutes on medium flame. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder for a vibrant color and give it a quick stir. Now, add the ground spicy garlic powder and saute for about 30 seconds. This is where all the flavors come together. Then, add the cooked prawns back to the pan and let them cook for another 5 minutes. Be sure to watch closely and not overcook them at this stage. Finally, toss in a few curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves for freshness. Turn off the flame and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the prawns for that final tangy touch. And there you have it, a simple yet irresistible spicy garlic prawns dish. Dish out your spicy garlic prawns and serve them hot. This recipe is packed with bold flavors that will impress your guests. Thanks for watching the Golden Bites. Be sure to try it out and I'll see you in the next video.